Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. I'm beginning a podcast where I'll be rendering you uh, some of the hidden words, hidden gems, some positive affirmations that you already know, but somehow in the busy schedule of life, sometimes you need to reaffirm it. So, our first affirmation is like you have to remember that once you let go and decide you want a good life, the rest of the universe will start moving things to make it happen. So, the people you need will be by your side, the healing you need will happen, many doors will be open. And once you truly, sincerely decide you are worthy, you'll find miracles to flood in your life. So just remember and have a good life. Thank you.